So I'm David Willey. I've worked at Fortinet now for 3 years. My role at Fortinet is to look after our strategic managed service providers. We work on a very tight, almost one-to-one mapping. So we spend a lot of time with managed service providers to really get to grips with the services that they provide today. And more importantly, or as important, is how can we use the technologies that we develop to help Redcentric and partners to build new services to take to market. Yes, the partnership with Redcentric started about 10 years ago, so it's been a long-standing relationship that we've had. It started originally with using our firewalls to create a managed firewall solution to take to market, and on the back of that we then moved into a secure SD-WAN service to provide connectivity for their customers, both to cloud-based applications and from office to office. Now, we did a huge amount of development work with Redcentric, so a lot of our time is well before the sale actually happens. So it's about making sure that we're building something that is standardised, based on Fortinet best practice, and is repeatable and easy for the Redcentric team to take to market. Following quickly off the back of that, we've moved into what we call SD branch, which is securing the actual branch there. So we talk about the switches and the access points. And we're now working with the Redcentric team around newer technologies like SASE, for example, and working with the guys here to be able to take services to secure applications in the cloud. What this means to Redcentric's customers fundamentally is that they've got the confidence that the solution's been well thought out and tested, and we can then jointly focus more on the business outcomes that they're looking for, rather than worrying about, how long does it take to do a proof of concept, how long does it take to actually deploy the service. So we've got it very well polished here. So not only do Redcentric's customers have confidence, but the sales teams at Fortinet have confidence in Redcentric that all the selling that they're doing with their customers, that Redcentric are a very safe pair of hands. It's an interesting question. So I love these kind of events. I think the way that the world has moved now, a lot of things are done remotely or kind of sporadically. So getting in the same building with people that you deal with regularly, but also with people that you don't kind of deal with as often, because every business, as is ours, are kind of siloed off. And it's really important that everybody in the different towers at Redcentric understand what we're doing in a particular tower, so connectivity where we're very strong. But obviously our technology spans into cloud as well as other towers within Redcentric. So it's very, very important to see what's working for other vendors or other partnerships so that we can get better.